Imagine you capture a moment such that you have been waiting for a long. You recorded a video, keeping it for later to show it to others. But later on, you notice the video was shaky and unstable. You are done for from creating the best content. Well, you can clearly see the differences between the two videos given above when you use the gimbal to shoot a video and when you do not use a gimbal to shoot the videos. To avoid those inconveniences, the game changer is here for content creators and storytellers alike. Now, say goodbye to those frustrating, blurry, hazy moments with all new Digitek DSG-010 PRO 3-axis mobile gimbal. This thing is a real savior. But before diving into the depth of the details, let's go through the unboxing and the box contents. The packaging is nice and the specifications mentioned over the box easily helps to start using it. I've bought it for 5700 only from Kolkata Metropoli Market, which is 1200 less than online. We will see each feature and specs in depth in a separate video. Digitek DSG gimbal is made of plastic. Specifically, it is constructed from a high-strength plastic material that keeps it lightweight and portable, weighing around 400 grams only. So, in the box, we have a tripod stand to attach the gimbal, a USB to Type-C charging cable, and the gimbal itself, and also the user manual, which this time we need to read before using it. We can mount the phone on the gimbal just like any other tripod or selfie stick. I'll show you later. Alright, the app name is also mentioned in the manual. Well, this is all we have in the box. So let's skip aside the box and focus on our main item. But before that, let me show you the USB cable, its build quality. Well, it is a good quality wired USB cable. Also, it supports fast charging. Let me attach the tripod with the gimbal and unfold the axis from here. So, this is how your gimbal looks like.
And with the wheel just next to the joystick, you can adjust focus manually, and right below the wheel there is a zoom button to help with.
And one more thing, this device comes with 3200 mAh rechargeable lithium ion battery with a magnetic cover.
So you need to download Digitek app from Play Store or App Store according to your smartphone. Look how cool and beautiful it's looking while functioning. With a complete set of the smartphone and your gimbal, you are ready to shoot any video without any hazy or blurry shots. Okay, but before that, let me guide you through the functionalities of the gimbal.
After downloading the Digitek app, you can pair this device with your smartphone via Bluetooth like any other devices you have used.
Okay, so with the red button below the joystick, you can actually turn your device into portrait or landscape mode, and with the joystick you can obviously rotate the smartphone according to your need. While it's turned on, with the help of the power button, you can simply turn on or turn off the flashlight. Let us see the process of connecting the app with this gimbal. Okay, so pressing the joystick again and again will change the functional modes like PF mode, then focus mode, then lock mode, then POV mode. And while you are in PF mode, if you press the joystick 3 times, it will be directly transferred into DM mode or Inception mode.
We will be back with another video in detailed format with the features working practically to get you started with your video making journey easily. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned. Thank you.